Many people believe that collision repair deals strictly with automobiles, when it actually can mean work on so much more than automotive, such as work on highway trucks, tractors and equipment, motorcycles, boats, and more. The Collision Repair Technology program provides a combination of classroom and hands-on projects, preparing students to work in a wide range of high-demand areas. Students who complete this program have the option to open their own private business or work with dealer or industry body shops. This program helps students prepare for successful careers in a variety of positions, such as sales representatives, estimators, industry certified technicians, and shop managers. Graduates can perform all aspects of auto body repair, such as assessing damage, estimating cost, performing body repair, and refinishing vehicles. Body repair is a need in all aspects of life. There is a high demand for graduates trained in the Collision Repair Technology program. For more information on this program, send us an email at cteinfo@nemcc.edu or visit online at www.nemcc.edu.